Ipob commends Igbo Philanthropists' Christmas generosity, calls for major agricultural investments. The Indigenous People of Biafra, Ipob, a pro-Biafran self-determination movement led by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has issued a press statement praising Igbo philanthropists for distributing food items across Igboland during the 2025 Christmas season. However, the movement urged wealthy Igbo individuals to shift focus towards substantial investments in agriculture to foster long-term food security and economic self-reliance. In the statement signed by Ipob's Media and Publicity Secretary, Comrade Emma Powerful, the organization highlighted the cultural tradition of generosity among Ndigbo, Igbo people, commending those who provided rice, beans, and other essentials to communities in need. Ndigbo are recognized for their kindness, the statement read, encouraging continued sharing during festive periods and crises. Yet, Ipob emphasized a proverbial shift, from giving fish to teaching how to fish. The Freedom Movement argued that while short-term aid offers relief, sustainable solutions lie in empowering communities through agricultural development. With the farming season approaching in February-March 2026, Ipob called on affluent Igbo billionaires and philanthropists to invest heavily in mechanized farming, livestock ranches, and agribusiness. Key points from the statement include land and resources. Advantage: Igboland has abundant cultivable land, a youthful population, established markets, and innovative capacity. Local manufacturers like Innocent Industries could produce tractors and machinery. Specific opportunities: large-scale cultivation of rice and beans, commonly distributed at Christmas, plus livestock farming. Building cattle ranches in 3 or 4 eastern states could reduce insecurity linked to Fulani herdsman clashes and prevent food scarcity. Food sufficiency. Goal: investments to meet at least 60% of regional food needs, transitioning from subsistence to mechanized farming. Addressing insecurity. Ipob claimed the Southeast has the lowest insecurity levels compared to other Nigerian regions, citing continued farming in the north despite challenges. The group's Eastern Security Network, ESN, pledged to protect farmers. Past successes. Ipob referenced its 2025 Agric Revolution initiative, which supported farmers with seedlings and resources, leading to abundant harvests of crops like tomatoes, carrots, and onions, previously seen as northern exclusive. This reportedly stabilized food prices in 2025 compared to prior years. Agribusiness expansion. Calls for cottage industries to process farm produce, create youth jobs, and enable exports, keeping economic benefits circulating within the community. The statement applauded existing efforts, such as Kosharis Farms in Anambra, a major rice producer with modern milling capacity that contributes significantly to local supply. Ipob's message aligns with broader discussions on food security amid economic hardships, including high inflation and import reliance. While Christmas food distributions by philanthropists and groups were noted in various regions, including the Southeast, Ipob stressed that equipping farmers with seeds, tools, tractors, and skills would build enduring self-reliance, dignity, and strong communities. Ipob has previously promoted agricultural initiatives as part of its vision for Biafran self-sufficiency. This latest call comes as Nigeria grapples with ongoing security challenges and efforts to boost local production.